Reyes Gold. The outside starting gate. Now being brought forward, the Reyes Gold. Horses in. Horses out. We have LGM Chairman. Pass to begin. Moving a party outside. Reyes Gold. About 3 wide. Now comes number 7. Zoril Dingalingaling. Born Supremacy also there. As they leave the straight, we have Reyes Gold, the leader by Abaraneka. And on the outside is Golden Eye. Zoril in third. By the railport comes LGM Chairman. Dingalingaling is racing in fifth. And in 6, Frozen Margarita, Aloha, and Born Supremacy. Zoril takes the lead by Abaraneka. Reyes Gold once again down on the inside to take the lead. Dingalingaling now moving up to take third. And in fourth now comes entry number 1, Frozen Margarita, Elgin Chairman, Golden Eye, Aloha, and Born Supremacy. Zoril takes the lead by about 3 for Abalenka. Reyes Gold is by the rail second. Then here comes Dingalingaling, Frozen Margarita. As they come down at the last 200, we have Zoril by about 4 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Frozen Margarita, running by the rail Reyes Gold. Last 100 meters, and it's still Zoril by about 4 lengths, followed by Frozen Margarita, and finally Zoril. Frozen Margarita, Elgin Chairman, Reyes Gold.